Well, here it is, everybody. It is my final on the 48-hour group build at 7 o'clock. Or no, 6 o'clock. So I got a whole 2 hours. I could have kept on going, but I got other things I got to get done before Monday, and so here's what I got. It is one of those typical AMT old model kits where it has a lot of flash, a lot of fitting issues and everything like that. So I'm sure some of the stuff I didn't do right, but the instruction manual shows you one thing and it don't look like that's what you're supposed to be doing, but oh well. So I went with no chrome around the windows or anything, acting like this is a quick little kit car he's working on. So I didn't want any chrome, even though it was around the windows. I'm figuring that they just did a quick paint job, get this on the track. Could be a fiberglass body too, so they wouldn't have that anyhow. So the bumpers, I made them look like an aluminum instead of chrome. So there's the engine. I didn't do any wiring. I was going to do orange wires, but I would have ran out of time because the way the engine's actually got to be glued in place. So now I'd have to use tweezers and everything and route them around and everything to get them glued in. So I figured I ain't going to have enough time for that, so I didn't do that on this one. The pipes, they're all individual, and I drilled them out. So they kind of don't match each side and all that, but there's that. Here's a look on the back. I didn't paint the brake lights either. Figured this is just a fiberglass body. So I didn't keep much chrome, but I did keep the chrome there and a chrome on the blower. The levers inside are still chrome. It is a very awkward designed kit with the way he's sitting in there and everything. So, and then let's see if I can to the bottom. So one thing to make it strong is I glued a lot of the suspension and the roll cage together and just painted it all. I did a little bit of detail painting, but not much. Didn't have a whole lot of time to do that. I had to work on Saturday, and then today I ended up pouring one more slab for my shed, concrete. I'm doing it all by hand, mixing it by hand and everything. I got a concrete mixer, but it still takes a lot of time and work. So I was pretty happy I actually was able to get this done to a point where I could say it's done. But the gas, one of the Luna gas cans, and I would really like to get it in there, but where they say to glue it is right where the crossbar is, so it hits it no matter what you do. It goes back in there, and there's a crossbar in there that holds the body together, and it keeps hitting that. So, but that's a cute kit. It was a fun way to get around the day, get me back in the groove. I have not been doing many models, and but when winter comes, I'm sure I'll be doing more. I still have the D-Day group build, and I'll do a little plug on that right now. And there's that. And you can see some of the weathering. There's a few of the guys in there. There's 25 guys in this kit, and I'm trying to detail paint them, and I haven't done many figures, so I'm not the best. And of course you see them guys that paint those figures and they look amazing, so then you don't want to do anything but that. So that's kind of slowing me down. There's that. I have been watching a few people on YouTube, the ones that YouTube will take me to. Probably do a search and look. So seems like the ones that were in it did a really good job. And thanks, Craig, for hosting it. And next year, hopefully, I'll be able to join that one as well. I think this one is the fifth year I've done it. I missed 21, and I think I started doing it in 2019 or 2020. I don't know. I have to look back. But this is one of the group builds I've been doing probably the most. It's the one that got me started in YouTube. So until next time, I'll talk to you later. Have a great week.